Hey there, aspiring chef. Welcome to the video. I am Chef Wanjiko, and today we are diving into a hot topic for anyone with a passion for culinary arts. That is, how to choose the perfect culinary arts school. Choosing the right culinary school is just like preparing a delicious recipe. It requires the perfect blend of ingredients for success. Whether you are dreaming of creating a delectable meal, mastering the art of pastry, or managing the hottest kitchens, your culinary education is the secret sauce to your future success. So in today's video, we're going to explore the key ingredients you need to consider when selecting the ideal culinary art school in Kenya. From accreditation to entering the culinary industry, we've got it all covered. Welcome back to this segment. We'll dive into the thriving culinary industry right here in Kenya. Understanding the landscape of the culinary world in this beautiful country is a crucial step in choosing the right culinary art school. Let us first start by understanding the meaning of culinary arts. It simply refers to the skill set of all three disciplines, that is, preparing, cooking, and presenting food. Kenya, known for its rich cultural diversity and vibrant traditions, has a culinary scene that reflects the country's unique blend of flavors and influences. From the aromatic spices of the coastal dishes to the hearty stews of the highlands, the Kenyan culinary landscape is as diverse as its landscapes. As the culinary world evolves, so does Kenya's food scene. Modern culinary trends, innovative techniques, and a fusion of global flavors are making their mark. From farm-to-table practices to sustainable cooking, Kenyan chefs are at the forefront of embracing new and exciting culinary movements. With the growth appreciation for diverse cuisines, there's an increasing demand for skilled culinary professions in Kenya. Whether it's in the bustling kitchens or restaurants, luxury hotels, or the entrepreneurial world of food startups, opportunities for culinary enthusiasts are on the rise. As we explore the culinary arts schools in Kenya, keep in mind that being part of the dynamic culinary landscape is not just a career choice, but a journey into the heart and soul of Kenya's food culture. Now, let's dive in deeper into the factors that will help you choose the perfect culinary art school. Welcome back, culinary enthusiasts. In this segment, we'll delve into the key factors you should consider when making this important decision. It's vital to choose a culinary school that holds the necessary accreditation from a recognized education authority, in our case, TVETA. This ensures that the school meets certain standards of quality that your education and hard-earned certification will be widely accepted in this industry. Consider the specific courses offered, the balance between theory and practical training, whether the school offers specialization that align with your career goals. Now let's shift our focus to the educators. A knowledgeable and experienced faculty is the backbone of any culinary school. Look for instructors with real-world experience in the industry. Their expertise will significantly enrich your learning journey. The kitchen is your canvas, and the tools you use matter. So, check out the school's facilities and resources. Are the kitchens equipped with modern appliances? Access to state-of-the-art tools enhances your practical training. The reputation of a culinary school speaks volumes. Look for reviews from current students and alumni. A school with successful graduates in the industry may be an indicator of its effectiveness. Hands-on experience is invaluable. Look for schools that facilitate internships and provide assistance with job placements. A school with strong industry connection can open doors to exciting career opportunities. Now let's talk budget. Evaluate the cost of tuition and associated fees. Consider your budget and explore financial aid options, scholarships, or flexible payment plans. Planning your finances is crucial for a smooth education journey. The location of the school plays a role in your overall experience. Consider whether you prefer an urban or a rural setting and whether the location provides opportunities for culinary experiences, internship, and exposure to the industry. Class size matters. Smaller class sizes may offer more personalized attention, while larger classes might provide a more diverse learning environment. Consider your learning style and how class sizes may impact your interaction with instructors and peers. Alright now, culinary enthusiasts, those are the key factors to consider when choosing a culinary art school. Now that we've covered the essentials, you're well on your way to selecting the perfect institution for your culinary journey. Congratulations, culinary enthusiasts! You are now armed with the knowledge to make an informed decision when choosing the perfect culinary art school. As you embark on this exciting journey, take the time to visit the schools in person, attend open days, talk to current students and faculty, and soak in the culinary atmosphere. Your decision is a personal one, and we wish you the best in finding the perfect culinary school that will shape your culinary dreams. Remember, in the kitchen and in life, every dish starts with careful choices. Just as ingredients shape a recipe, your decisions will shape your culinary journey. So, as you embark on your culinary journey, may your path be filled with flavor, creativity, and joy that comes from creating something truly extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of choosing a culinary arts school in Kenya. If you have any questions or experiences to share, feel free to drop them in the comments. Happy cooking, and may your culinary journey be as delightful as your creations.